So ever felt your productivity could skyrocket with the right AI tools? And it is true. With the right AI tools, it's possible to do anything. Let's talk about the Grok AI. It is the new tools and it is more advanced tools. It's help for anyone's, any business people, any professionals, any creative, any students that take benefit from there. So it's Grok 3 that I'm going to talking about today, and I'll show you some examples and I'll play with the Grok AI and show you how it's advanced, and let's explore the all best things and everything that Grok AI have. So I'll try to groundbreaking the features inside the tips and practical prompts that I said and craft just for your needs. It's just 8 to 10 minutes you need to understand it deeply, and I'll try to break down everything as much as I can. So grab your notebooks, and this session is packed with insight. February 6, 17, 2025 is recently few days before XAI, which is a launch Grok 3, not just an upgrade, but a leap forward in AI capabilities. And imagine an AI that 3 times faster with Grok 2. With the real-time data integration and massive 1 million token context windows. This means Grok 3 easily manage extensive documents like a big PDF, big data that can analyze faster and very smoothly. And is it there and complex task without missing any bit? That's the main. So why is Grok 3 is a game changer? Is you maybe have equations, as I said. For business leaders, it streamlines productivity and automate complex workflow and deliver precious data raving insight instantly. They have analyzing data. There's so many tools that you can do. You can use deep search, you can use think. There's a button there, so I'll go explain everything. For a student, it's provide tailored learning. You can get the experience, you can play with these tools and get learn. You can learn something from any things that you are feel complex. For creative, is inspiration generate unique contents or maybe any images. It's very good for image generating as well. So is everything in one AI, whether it's for boosting efficiency or maybe for your creativity. Grok 3 is designed to fit like anything that you can do daily. That's you need to do it, and maybe for your workflow or maybe you need to do every day. So let's see in actions, and I'll take you to everything and break it down everything about the Grok 3, the powerful model out there. First, you need to access Grok 3 is primarily available for X Premium or subscriber, but as of now, XAI is offering limited free access to celebrate its launch. Head to grok.com AI. That's I am in now. You can see in my screen. Just type the Grok AI, and you can easily find out and see the logos, and you can click there, and you will see this dashboard. For X, you need to tap your profile, and for Grok, find the Grok in the menu, and then authorize access if needed. Here is the pro tip: ensure your X app. If you use the X app, you need to update and make sure that you're using the latest version for the best experience. Once in, you'll see an option like deep search. Here you can see think. You can see the research, brainstorming, analyze data, so everything. So now I going to give you one prompt, and let's start testing how it's work. It is very advanced model out there. In generative AI, we know that generative AI is, we got ChatGPT is open AIs and clouds and so on and everything, but this is the more attractive and very I say that it is a pro version of the generative AI. So we can head back and see we play some prompt and see how it works, and I'll explain everything how Grok AI work and how you can get the best output as the individuals, as the professionals, creative, or students. I'll explain everything. But let's write a first our prompts, and let's write a prompt that set up the dashboard tracking real-time markets trends for e-commerce business and see how they come step. And this is very fast model. I'm going to give you one prompt. which is step up the dashboard for track real-time market trends for e-commerce business, and what steps should I take. So and I opened the deep search for get the best one, also the think. I go for things, so it will be more the good ideas and more creative in things will becomes. Let's say and give the prompt and see how fast there comes. Look, they start thinking and the taking second. They going to pull all data from all lines and they keep giving me everything. And they also going to all process that I can see there how they're going to approach and how they're approaching my questions, my prompt. As they will come back to me, see what they are analyzing this data. It's all are new. They analyze all are news, new blogs or maybe newspapers or articles or maybe reports they are analyzing. You can see that all are new 2025. You can see that, and I hope they will come with very good idea. It's taking time because it's thinking deeply, that's why. So they started writing my answer. You can see it's super fast. It's super faster than any AI. You can see how fast they write. So let's start and see what they give. So define your objective and key metrics. Okay, so that's good. Sales metrics, customer metrics, understand your goals, sales, select metrics. Okay, identify, integrate data sourcing, e-commerce platform data. Okay, web analytics, marketing platform, like integrate data from advertising network, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, monitoring campaign performance. Choose the right dashboard like Tableau, Power BI to visual data, design dashboard layout, set up real-time data automations. Oh, really good. And security access control, test optimized dashboard, train user, provide support. So they give me very good and comprehensive answer that from my one small prompt that I give. It's very small prompt that I give. So you can see that Grok 3 can guide you step by step and suggesting tools like Google Analytics, integration and real-time ex post analysis. This saves hours of research and it is and give you real data that are online, so they are top in the news and they're top in the blog, and you can also they're providing beside on the search result where they're pulling data from. You can verify their data and verify there's everything, the blogs and the resource where they're taking this data before you take the actions. So now let's explore Grok 3 core strengths. It excelled in text generations and advanced reasoning and real-time data, plus via deep search. Here is how it works for each group. As I focusing on these videos is business peoples, those are using AI for help every day to improve their business or maybe taking help from AI. It's good for them to use Grok, and I'm going to show you some examples how they can do it. For students who are doing like for learning, for research, for anything that you can use Grok AI, it's very good and advanced. And for creative professionals, those are working in industries like any marketers, content creators, or maybe any the web developers need to help and write a code, because this is the faster models. I can see I test this morning and I saying that this is the faster model to write code or HTMLs. So this is super cool and trendy and handy AI, which is very advanced. I can see, and it is available freely, so you can try it and see if you like it. You must like it. So let's see and give another prompt to analyze latest financial trend and the retail sectors. I'm going to write this prompt and see how they comes. So now I'm going for new chart. All right, so I'm going to new chart and start and press on the deep search button to get the deep search and see the how it's work. And then I give the my prompt that analyze the latest financial trend in retail sectors and forecast growth for Q2 2025 and see how they come. All right, so they start deep searching, analyzing retail trends. Look at that, how they're thinking. They're pulling datas. The 10 result found, they're showing browsing result. Deloitte, look at that, they start browsing. So they're taking time to get the actions because of to give you more advanced message and advanced data to understand and to go very deeply everything. So that's why it's I think is the best one to do the research for any business peoples or any professionals, any business, any CEO or director. They're looking for to do something solution or make it maybe building them strategy or building strategy. So this is the Grok AI that can help them and see how fast they're writing, and I'll walk you through what they give me now. Alright, so those they also give me the citation. You can see that the data from Deloitte and retails, and so this is the pulling data from the very deeply from online. So you can see the Grok 3 how they pulls real-time data from the best blogs or best reports out there in Google's and open sources. They're pulling all data from the web and delivering a consistent forecasting in a few seconds. I would say that is few seconds you get the everything and faster than like if you do the manual research. You need to go the individual's paper, read things, and what I hate always. So this is what you can see that for me as a business people's working with business, also the working with as a working with client, I can see that how this tools going to help them, and in many ways they can get benefited from there. Let's see that what they give me. So key points they give: retail sector growth for Q2 2025 forecasted 2.2 years over years. Okay, so overview: the retail sector expected to see growth 2.2% in 2025 and compared to the same period of 2024. Okay, so this is the good one because they're pulling data from the online, and it should be the real one. So the US economy projected have real GDP growth 2.4 in 2025, with the consumer spending expected to increase 3.1. This factor is contribute positive outlook for retail throughout potential tariffs and pose risk. Okay. You see how they break down everything and getting data from the good sources, and and they break down so everything since like a pro, and they're giving me answers that really helpful and really easy to understand. As if you are a high school student and looking for learning something, you can try as well. So like they pulling data from Khan Academies, which is very top the academies, as you know. So I'm image and see how it's work, and I'm going to press the create image and see how it works and how is advanced. Let's see and write something prompt. So because it's Grok 3 integration with XAI's that Aura models, and let's it create a stunning image. So perfect for creative pros and businesses that you're looking for to any images to add on your slide, or maybe for your content, or maybe anything. I used also I generated few images for my blog this morning, so I hope it's going to be fantastic. Let's try one prompt and see how it's work. Okay, so try draw the Newton the famous theories and see how they generate the image. Let's see how this work, right? So it's not. You can see that how advanced the models, how they designed, and how they it's really creative. That the image you can have a look and see. Wow, isn't it stunning, the image? See that designed a product image for sustainable water bottles, showing it on a beach with a modern eco-friendly vibes. Let's see how that comes. See, that's amazing product, that amazing design they done it. So this is very creative, I can say. Behind this screen, behind this AI is more creative, and you can see that how visually looking good this image is. So now I'm going to give them simple prompt. I'm going to give them write a Python script to analyze quarterly sales data and visualize trend in bar chart. Let's see what they give me. Oh, really fast writing code. See, it's really fast. So I'm in a second I get the code, and you can see that how cool, and how you see that sales go as data, and how they stunning, and it is super cool and give you fast coding. That's I say saying that the create a basic HTML CSS game where is a character jumps over to the obstacles. And let's see what they give me. Oh, really? See. So it is super fast. I like to try one code what they give me. So I'm going to see it's simple. So it's work clearly, and they is give me the basic one that I was looking for. So yes, so you can generate code, HTML code, CSS, and Python, JavaScript, anything that you can do and generate from there. It's very fast, and it is very easy, handy tools.